Now, in this video, we're going to answer the following question. Give the answer to the calculation below as an ordinary number. And the calculation we're asked to perform is 4 multiplied by 10 to the power of 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 1. If you find this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Standard form, sometimes called scientific notation, is a way to express very large or very small numbers in a compact and convenient form. It's written as a multiplied by 10 to the power of n, where a is a number greater than or equal to 1 and less than 10, and n is a positive or negative integer. We're going to answer this question in 2 different ways. First, we're going to multiply the numbers in standard form before converting the answer into an ordinary number. The second way we will answer this question is to write them as ordinary numbers at the beginning, then multiply them. To multiply these numbers written in standard form together, we first multiply the 4 and 5 together, which gives us 20. Then we use rules of indices for the 2 and minus 1, which, because we're multiplying these numbers together, means we need to add them. 2 plus minus 1 gives us 1. So we can write the answer as 20 multiplied by 10 to the power of 1. However, remember we said that one of the rules of writing a number in standard form is that it must be in the form a multiplied by 10 to the power of n, where a is less than 10 and greater than or equal to 1. 20 is too large, so we need to rewrite this by shifting the decimal point back 1 position. That changes the 20 into a 2, but we need to increase the power by 1. So that gives us 2 multiplied by 10 to the power of 2, which is now correctly written in standard form. Written as an ordinary number, the 10 to the power of 2 part shifts our decimal point 2 positions to the right. So 2 becomes 200. So the answer to this question written as an ordinary number is 200. Remember, we said we were going to answer this a second way. This time, we're going to change each of the numbers in the question, currently written in standard form, into ordinary numbers before we multiply them. Let's start with 4 multiplied by 10 to the power of 2. There is a decimal point after the 4, and the multiplied by 10 to the power of 2 part tells us to move it 2 places to the right. That means 4 multiplied by 10 to the power of 2 is 400, written as an ordinary number. Then there's 5 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 1. There is a decimal point after the 5, and the multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 1 part tells us to move it 1 place to the left. That means 5 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 1 is 0.5, written as an ordinary number. So we need to multiply 400 by 0.5. This is actually the same as halving 400, which is 200. So the answer to the question written as an ordinary number is 200. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.